How to continue growing big business? What are the strategies to keep expanding your already big brands? Welcome to Business and Management Podcast. Hello, my friends. How are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marcel Ludi. Today, we are going to dive into a topic which seems to be a puzzle. How do big players in the business keep on growing even though we thought that they're already reaching their peak? Let's spill the beans on the secrets of these big giants like McDonald's, Coca-Cola, Pantene. They haven't just survived, they thrive despite the changing market trends, consumer behaviors, and ups and downs of recession. So, what is their magic potion? It is all about the art of driving consumption. Imagine that you are running a restaurant business in which most people just come for dinner. Now, imagine you can convince them to come to your restaurant for breakfast and lunch too. Now, that is a tantalizing meal package. Take McDonald's, for instance. They have mastered this by creating a special breakfast menu. So, the secret is on how to make your consumer use your brand in different occasions. The second strategy, persuade consumer to spend more every time they interact with your brand. Make the portions bigger. Think of McDonald's Big Mac strategy. Bigger portions means bigger sales. So, remember these two nuggets. Expand the usage occasions and increase the consumer spending in each of those occasions. Now, let's move on to the expansion game. Finding new users is like opening new chapters of a book. Let's take our restaurant analogy. Expanding means opening up new outlets in your city or even expanding to different geographies, new towns, new cities, even new countries. Market limitations exist, yes, for sure. But in the short and medium term, expanding to new consumers is always a winning strategy. Ask yourself, is there a group of consumers that is currently not using your brand today that you can convince to start buying your brand? Do a simple segmentation exercise by geography, by demography, by gender, by life stages, by income, anything. You will surprise that you will uncover new opportunities. Gillette did it with the ladies by introducing new Gillette Venus for the ladies and telling them, reveal the goddess in you. Now, let's talk about repositioning. Smartly shifting your brands can unlock new horizons. Think of Nike. It is not just sneakers. It is all about athletic performance. By repositioning, Nike is venturing into new territories like apparels, sports sponsorship, and sports gears. A great brand sees beyond just fulfilling consumers' basic needs, but exploring new horizons, new opportunities to keep on growing. Starbucks nailed it by becoming not just a coffee shop. Starbucks is also about community and mementos. Ask yourself, what other needs your brand can fulfill, both from physical and emotional standpoint. Harley Davidson, it is not just a mode of transportation. Harley Davidson is all about power, pride, and identity. It is a lifestyle brand. Harley owners proudly showing tattoos, caps, leather vests, creating unique identity for their community. And it is not just for the super premium brands. Every brand can create this deep connection with the consumers. So, how do you keep your big brands growing? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you find this podcast is enlightening, then please click like and subscribe button. Don't forget to share so we can spread the benefits. Thanks for tuning in. May you always be successful. All the best.